Make sure to stay till the end. It could be really simple fix. You may need to reset certain computer to make your headlights work again. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a dot charger. If you guys have a dot charger and you have a problem where you have a headlight that's not working, we will explain what can easily cause that. And in some cases it may not be the headlight, it may not be anything else causing the problem, but you need to actually perform certain procedure. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end guys. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars of damages, and we'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools from. So let's go ahead, start on that and cover why headlight may not be working. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos and we can keep saving you money guys. If you need to buy parts tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So first thing guys, you will have 2 to 4 fuses depending on which kind of headlights you may have on your dot charger. If you want to check about headlight fuse, check out our YouTube channel Electrical Car Repair Live. We will have each one of those listed guys, because if you have adaptive headlights you may have extra fuses. You will have one fuse for the left headlight, one fuse for the right headlight. But if the headlight doesn't work, what can easily cause that now? Let's just start first with bulb. Number one thing, bulbs go out. But what can easily happen if you guys replace the bulb and the headlight still doesn't work? We recommend to check the fuses, because sometimes when you have a bad bulb, what can easily happen, actually a fuse can burn as well, because if the bulb was shorted it can burn. Let's say you replace the fuse, headlight is still not working. You may need to use guys a diagnostic tool that can access almost every computer system in your dot charger, and this tool is amazing. It's our favorite. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. Check out the link, you can check current price and features, but you can access every computer system. You can read codes, delete codes, and see live data for every computer system. And in some of those new cars, you may end up having up to 50-60 computers, like that BMW right there guys. Easily has over 60 computers. So it works on any car you can think of. And with that computer, you're going to scan for codes. You can scan all the systems at the same time, reset, delete codes, and that often can fix the problem, because the body control module can actually detect that there was a short in the system, and what it will do, it will deactivate that function so the car doesn't catch on fire or something bad doesn't happen guys. So you will need to reset it in order to work correctly. If both headlights do not work, you need to check fuses again, but it could be a bad headlight switch in some cases too, because a bad headlight switch may not let the headlights turn on. If you leave them on automatic and they do not turn on, it could be the light sensor which is installed on the dash. We'll have a video how to replace light sensor. And if you want to see where the fuse for the light sensor is located, again, check it out on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Those are some of the most common things. Start with bulb, fuse, then reset the system, inspect the wiring harness going to the headlight to make sure that they're not loose, broken, or contaminated with water. And because sometimes from rain and stuff like that, if the gasket goes bad, it can actually let the wires get soaked and they can corrode, and that can cause problems as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.